and an ocean across the USA. Then everybody'd be surfing like California. You'd see them wearing their baggies, we're raunchy sandals.
We're going to the beach.
I love the beach. Surfing USA. You catch them surfing at down Ventura County line, Santa Cruz and Trail, Las Vegas and Rocky. All over Manhattan and down Tahiti Way. Everybody's gonna surfing, surfing USA. We'll all be planning out a route we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboards, we can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer, we're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing, surfing USA. And hanging knees at Swanee, we'll sing to Palisades. Stand on the free and sunset, we got the beach LA. All over La Jolla, Miami and Las Vegas. Everybody's surfing, surfing USA.